The El Nino weather pattern can trigger drought in India and some parts of the world while causing flooding in other regions is increasingly likely to return this year, hitting production of key foods such as rice, wheat and sugar. El Nino, Spanish for boy, is a warming of sea surface temperatures in the Pacific that occurs every 4 to 12 years, triggering changes in weather patterns in various parts of the world. For the Indian monsoon, the timing and strength of the potential El Nino would be crucial if the phenomenon matures towards the end of the rainy season. It may not have a huge impact on the monsoon. Around 60% of all droughts in India the last 230 years have coincided with El Nino occurrence. Production estimates for several crops which are already under stress will have to be revised downwards, said Phillips Futures Stan. Wheat in Australia may be affected by El Nino and also sugar in India. In India, the world's number 2 producer of sugar, rice and wheat, a strong El Nino could reduce the monsoon rains that are key to its agriculture, curbing production. If a strong El Nino occurs during the second half of the monsoon season, then it could adversely impact the production size of summer crops, says Sudhir Panwar, president of Farmers Lobby Group Kishan Jagriti Manch. El Nino in 2009 turned India's monsoon patchy, leading the worst drought in nearly 4 decades and helping push global sugar prices to their highest in nearly 30 years. If the El Nino is to return this year, it could also crimp supply of minerals such as gold, nickel, tin, copper and coal if mines flood and logistics are disrupted.